In this video today, we are going to be making a new flower bed. Lots of work ahead. Well, here we go. All this stuff you see here is stuff we brought from our yard that we had at our RV site. And a lot of it I am going to use in my gardens at our house. You've already seen where I put my black bench out front of my house, and I've done it up for fall. Well, that was one of the things we had out at our RV site. So right now I'm digging out a black metal fence that I also had in my gardens out at the trailer. And I'm going to make a new flower and fairy garden spot in my yard. I believe one of my other videos showed you me taking down the old fairy garden. So this is going to be a new start, and this is me getting the fence out. Here I'm having a little trouble because of course there's something piled on top of the fence. I did this to myself anyhow. So I'm just as stubborn as my family says I am. And I just kept digging till I got the fence all out. Yep, that's me. Okay, now I'm dragging all the fence pieces out about where I'm going to put them in the ground. These are cool fences because you just have a pole and they snap and they hook together, and then you pound the pole into the ground, so there's no digging posts, which is nice. So I have a couple of pieces put up already, and I believe I'm going to show you how it goes in. It's very easy. Right here, I'm just pushing on the pole, and it is going in the ground. But later on, I do go back and I do hammer them in a little more so that they're nice and sturdy. And here you can see I've got the little gate, and I've got it put up, and you can see I have a rock in my hand, and that's how I'm hammering them in. Anyhow, we got the little gate installed, which I think is great because I don't have to step over it. I can just open the gate. And there we go, we have the fence installed. So I went and got my little chainsaw, and I'm going to be cutting quite a few branches off my lilac bush just because they're kind of in the way, and I don't think it's going to hurt if I trim the branches up from underneath and let more sunshine come into the lilacs and into the ground below. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I just love my little chainsaw. And I watch a lady called Jody done. She's a riot, and she has a little chainsaw. And hey, Jody, I love my chainsaw too. I get the biggest kick out of using it. All kinds of fun. I'd like to take this moment and encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And if you do like it, give me a thumbs up and share it maybe with a friend. So please subscribe and thank you. The bricks out. Oh, the cow wasn't in there too. Oh man. Well, that's not coming out. Well, I was trying to figure out how I'm going to get those darn bricks out of there because they were in there pretty tight. But anyhow, I decided I'd stuff all my branches in a black pot. It has a bunch of dirt in it. And I haven't used it anywhere yet, but I'll probably use it in my Halloween decorating. Should be fun. Anyhow, it's a nice big pot of leaves, and pretty soon it'll be sticks. In Lethbridge now we have a program where they come once a week and they pick up our food scraps and they pick up any of the stuff out of our yard. We have a nice big green bin we can put it all in, and hopefully we'll be able to buy beautiful compost from our dump someday. I think it's a great program. Well, yep, I'm still thinking. And I'm pretty sure that I've figured out how to do it. So we'll just get the leaves out of there and we'll get her done. Well, it doesn't take brawn, it takes brains. So I figured out that if I dug out some of the front ones, then of course the back ones would come out. And they came out quite easy, all of them. The hard part was trying to haul them away, which my son kind of piled them up for me before he started his part. Well, I have several of these bricks to take out of this flower bed, and I just wanted to say, I know it's kind of strange, Someone went to all this hard work putting these bricks in here, and here I'm going to take them out. But I love these bricks. I'm going to use them somewhere else. But I just don't want a border in the middle of my flower bed. So I'm going to take them out, and I'm very glad they come out. I'm not going to be glad because it's going to be a long work. On this side. So this is what I did today. I put the black fence in. It's a little curvy, but that's okay. I kind of like it that way. I might bring this one over more so it closes it up. Or I could put one of those things there. Okay. And I got all the bricks out. And I cut a bunch of branches off the lilac tree. So, this is the next day. And I have my son here helping me cut the grass out. What a big job that is, and I'm so thankful that I didn't have to do it. And he always does such a wonderful job. Thanks, Idris. Getting her done, getting her done. Okay, we got the grass taken out of the flower bed. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice big flower bed. Maybe I'll even get some vegetables. And just filled that hole in really nice. So there was quite a dip in our lawn there. So we can sit like that until over winter. Settle all in. Well, that was a big job done. Yay! Thank you, my son. Anyhow, I would like to thank everybody who watched this video, especially those who made it to the end. That's wonderful. And I'd like to welcome any new subscribers who have joined my channel lately. And if you like this content and you haven't subscribed, I would sure appreciate if you subscribed. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.